Hello, everyone. Welcome to the AI for All channel. Today, we're going to explore one of the most well-known and powerful tools in the world of artificial intelligence, ChatGPT. If you've heard of this name but don't quite know what it does or how it can be useful to you, this video is for you. We're going to dive deep and explain how ChatGPT works, what its strengths and weaknesses are, and whether it's paid or free. Stick with us until the end to discover everything you need to know about this amazing technology. What is ChatGPT? To start, what exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence tool developed by OpenAI that uses an advanced language model called GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. In simpler terms, ChatGPT is a computer program capable of understanding and generating text based on what you type. It can be used for a variety of tasks, such as answering questions, writing texts, helping with creative tasks, providing information, and even holding conversations. What makes ChatGPT special is its ability to understand complex contexts and generate responses that make sense in a fluid and natural way. You can think of it as a digital assistant that's always ready to help, whether you're a student needing help with an essay, a professional looking for inspiration, or just someone who wants to have a chat. ChatGPT is designed to be flexible and adaptable to a wide range of uses. How does ChatGPT work? Now that you know what ChatGPT is, let's talk about how it works. ChatGPT is based on a neural network architecture called Transformer, which was trained on vast amounts of textual data from the internet. During training, the model learned patterns in language, such as grammar, syntax, and even nuances of meaning and context. When you interact with ChatGPT, it uses this knowledge to predict and generate responses to the text you provide. For example, if you ask what is artificial intelligence, ChatGPT will analyze your question, identify the keywords, and use the learned context to generate a response that makes sense. An interesting aspect of ChatGPT is that it doesn't just answer questions but can also maintain a continuous conversation. It can remember what was said earlier in the conversation and use that information to generate more coherent and contextually appropriate responses. This makes interactions with ChatGPT feel more natural and less fragmented. However, it's important to remember that despite being very advanced, ChatGPT is still a machine and doesn't have a real understanding of the world. It generates responses based on language patterns but doesn't understand the content in the same way a human would. This means it can occasionally give responses that seem convincing but aren't factually correct. ChatGPT's strengths. Let's now explore ChatGPT's strengths. One of the biggest benefits of this tool is its versatility. As we mentioned earlier, ChatGPT can be used for a wide range of tasks. Whether it's generating ideas, writing texts, answering questions, or even programming, ChatGPT can be an extremely useful tool. Another great advantage is accessibility. ChatGPT is available online and can be accessed by anyone with an internet connection. This means that no matter where you are, you can use ChatGPT to help you with your daily tasks. In addition, ChatGPT is very fast. It can generate responses in just seconds, making it an ideal tool for those who need information or help immediately. This speed is also useful for brainstorming and idea generation, where you can test different concepts in real time. Another strong point is the quality of the text generated. ChatGPT is capable of producing texts that are grammatically correct and coherent, often indistinguishable from texts written by humans. This is especially useful for content creators, writers, and professionals who need quick, high-quality texts. And last but not least, ChatGPT can adapt its language style to the audience. If you need a more formal tone, it can generate texts in that style. If you prefer something more casual and relaxed, ChatGPT can also adjust its responses to meet that need. This makes it a very flexible tool for different contexts. ChatGPT's weaknesses. Now, like any technology, ChatGPT has its weaknesses. One of the main challenges is that it can generate responses that seem correct but aren't. Since it doesn't have real understanding, it can occasionally make incorrect or misleading statements. That's why it's always important to verify the information provided by ChatGPT. Another point to consider is that ChatGPT might struggle with very specific or highly technical topics. While it's excellent for general conversations and broad questions, it may not have the deep knowledge needed for certain specialized topics. This can limit its usefulness in areas that require expertise. Additionally, ChatGPT can generate repetitive or predictable responses, especially if the conversation goes on for too long. This happens because it relies on language patterns learned during training, and in some cases, it may end up falling into the same patterns repeatedly. Another limitation is that ChatGPT cannot access real-time information. It was trained with data up to a certain date, so if you ask something about current events or recent information, it may not be able to provide an accurate response. Lastly, ChatGPT cannot take actions outside the context of the conversation. It can generate texts, answer questions, and provide suggestions, but it cannot perform real-world tasks, like sending emails or scheduling appointments. Is ChatGPT paid or free? A common question is ChatGPT paid or free? The answer is that it offers both options. There is a free version of ChatGPT that you can use to experiment with the tool and perform basic tasks. However, this free version has some limitations, such as the number of interaction. For those who need more features or want to use ChatGPT intensively, there is also a paid version called ChatGPT Plus. The Plus version offers some additional benefits, such as higher availability during peak times, faster responses, and access to more advanced language models. The price of ChatGPT Plus is relatively affordable, considering the benefits it offers. If you use the tool regularly, whether for work, study, or other activities, investing in the paid version might be worth it. It's also worth noting that OpenAI provides the ChatGPT API for developers, allowing this powerful AI to be integrated into custom applications and systems. This service is paid and has a variable cost depending on usage. How can ChatGPT be used? Now that you know ChatGPT's strengths and weaknesses, let's talk about how it can be used in your daily life. ChatGPT is an extremely versatile tool and can be applied in various areas. For example, if you're a student, you can use ChatGPT to help with essays, answer questions about topics you're studying, or even practice a second language. For professionals, ChatGPT can be useful for generating project ideas, writing emails, or creating marketing content. Businesses can also benefit from ChatGPT by using it to improve customer service, automate responses to frequently asked questions, or even generate reports and quick analyses. The possibilities are virtually endless, depending on your creativity and needs. Artists and content creators can also use ChatGPT to generate new ideas, explore different writing styles, or simply as a brainstorming tool. ChatGPT's ability to adapt to different styles and contexts makes it a valuable ally for any creative project. So, everyone, now that you know all about ChatGPT, we hope this video has helped clarify how this amazing tool can be useful to you. With its ability to generate text from virtually any input, ChatGPT offers an innovative way to interact with technology and expand your possibilities. And you, have you used ChatGPT? What do you think of this tool? Leave your opinions and experiences in the comments. We'd love to know how you're using this technology. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the AI for All channel, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss the upcoming news. Share this video with your friends who might also be curious about artificial intelligence and its applications. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.